hold me and kiss me slowly. It's the sweetest thing.
Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle on my new haircut, and I'm going to be using ORS Naturals newish line. It came out 2 years ago, so it's not all that. Because my hair is freshly cut and I have mostly healthy hair now, I'm excited to try the products because I don't have any more damaged hair. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I use is the Butter Rich Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. It leaves my hair really clean but really soft. When I'm washing my hair with it, like when I do this with my fingers, I can feel that there's no product buildup on my hair and there's no grease on my hair. So that lets me know that my hair is clean. And then when I actually do this with my hair, it's extremely soft. I don't know what their formula is or what they did, but they definitely did that. And I found out something very interesting after I used it. I was reading the back of it for some reason, and it says gently cleanses and aids in detangling while preserving precious moisture. It really did that. And used as a daily gentle cleanser or as a deep conditioner for extra hydration. Now, how can something clean your hair and condition it? That's very interesting to me. Now I'm realizing that this is supposed to be used as the deep conditioner. So definitely in the next video I'll actually shampoo my hair and use this product as a deep conditioner, and I will let you guys know how it works. The next product that I'm going to be using is the leave-in conditioner. It says it's an intense leave-in conditioning treatment formulated to add superior hydration to address extreme dry and frizzy hair, perfect for daily use. My hair is dry, like my hair is so thirsty. My hair is always thirsty in my opinion. It says to apply to towel dried hair and work a generous amount of product into hair beginning at the roots to the tips. Comb through for even distribution and let it dry naturally, do not rinse. I didn't detangle with a comb, by the way, I forgot to say that. I just finger detangled and my hair is still so soft. The next product that I'll be using is the Hydrating Hair Butter. It says it imparts moisture while defining frizzy curls for shiny, frizz-free curls. Perfect for creating natural styles without weighing your curls down. This product, it kind of smells like hair grease, like hair oil. I don't know if you would say that's thick. It's thick, but it melts what you know a butter to be, or like an oil. Before I even read the ingredient, I was thinking that if you have long hair, you can use this product to twist up your hair and it would leave your hair very hydrated and very shiny. So I'm just adding this especially to the front of my hair. Now that I'm finished moisturizing my hair, let's get to the fun part. I'll be using the Buttercream Styling Smoothie along with my Eco Styler Gel to define my curls. I've been using this product for like a month now. With no other product moisturizing my hair like this product. It keeps my hair moisturized for days. So anybody who uses Eco Styler for a wash and go, I'm pretty sure you have experienced dryness or crunchy curls to the point of no return. But since I use the smoothie, of course they have a hold, but they are not dry at all. And once I separate them, the gel cast that people always talk about, it literally goes away and my hair is very soft. I've never experienced this before with any product, and I'm really not exaggerating. My curls are really soft.
Up around your little finger, you're wrong. And everybody feel as if for you lick me chip and I'm programmed to you. Think you alone can love me and I'll be broken if you walk out. But anytime you decide to pack up your things and leave, don't come back. One, go, don't come back. I won't cry, I'll be fine. Don't come back. Anytime you're ready, when you're ready, you're free to go. Don't come back. Nobody make it or hurt you where the good Lord split you. Don't come back. This is sad, yeah. life is real. This love is gone toxic and no poison weed. No need to play any games anymore. You're kinda loving and loving to me. Drifting now, we're drifting. Remember when we were one? The ship is sinking. If we tumble out, we're gonna drown.
So now I'm just going to separate and fluff so that it can look fuller. And that's the trick with natural hairstyles. If you want it to last you longer, don't go too crazy and separating on the first day. Kind of leave some of the curls clump. So this is the final look, and I love how healthy and how shiny and curly my hair is. It don't have no loose curls or loose waves or straight pieces, and health over length any day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so please help us get there. And thank you guys for watching so much.